This is a story I was told with this old man at Baker, Texas, south of Weatherford on 51, that he run a store there forever. I'd stop and visit him, and he was quite a character, but he told a story about this cash register that Bonnie and Clyde robbed him, and he said it was $17 and I think 26 cents they got every penny he had, and said they had them big old guns. He was telling all that, and he's still mad about it 40 years later. But that's come out of his store, and when he retired when he was 98 years old, he said he's going to take up fishing, and he said he's getting rid of everything. And I said, well, what about the cash register? And I called it the Bonnie and Clyde cash register, and he said, oh yeah. He said, you want that? I said, well, of course I want it. How much do you want? He said, oh, you can have it. So I went ahead and loaded the thing in my pickup, and there was a tin can sitting there, and I put a $100 bill in that tin can, which, that was quite a bit of money in the 70s. And so that's the story of the cash register.